Good afternoon, dear colleagues. We continue our working day, and the topic of the next press briefing is the results of fifth court hearing and the case against the Russian First Channel. Our speaker is Glib Golovchenko, Director of Press and Television College, General Producer at TAC.TV channel. Welcome on stage. Thank you, dear colleagues. Today we have a lot to speak about, and we have understanding what was the end of the hearing, this hearing against the Russian First Channel. This case lasted for 2 years and 2 months, and it had to be reviewed during 3 months. So there were some things done that are of alternative nature to our hearing here in Ukraine. So the judge left the courtroom, and when the judge come out, the judge should return with a decision. And one of the options that exists today is the delay in the hearing of this case, and understanding that once again, Russian side tried to delay this decision for half a year, and due to civil position and due to media organizations and National Union of Journalists of Ukraine, they came to the courtroom, and also our esteemed head of the commission of the deputy court, we forced this judge to return to the hall and to take decision. So we have this decision today. This is a historic moment because Pechersk District Court rejected the dissemination of information, and we have clear position that there is a fake footage, and under the picture of Golovchenko Glib Alexandrovich, there was a text that they prepared assault teams of Maidan, and this case was heard for 2 years and 2 months, and after this they rejected the claim to establish that this information was wrong. And we understand the position of Ukrainian state, and it differs from the decision of the Pechersk District Court. The court demonstrated its position in relation to the position of the state, and we think that they took the decision in this 2 years and 2 months. And this decision, there should be many papers, but there is only one paper, one page. So in 2 years and 2 months, the judge didn't have time to write reasoning for this decision, and we will appeal to the court, and we understand that we will have to fight, and there is one simple thing. We want to show example to the citizens of Ukraine and to show what is going on in this country now. And another example, and I would like to thank my colleagues from the advocates groups that they were together with us, and this information was disseminated at international conferences. We told our colleagues what happens in Ukraine, and we believe that we want Turkey and Germany and Poland and also France and all those moments where fake footage was present, and this fake machinery, first channel of Russian Federation. These countries were ready for this, and we warn Ukrainian citizens that we are not alone. There are many countries There are many people who have simple information that they produce information content at the territory of Russian Federation, and they only adhere to Russian laws, and the distribution of the signal is a different organization, and the dissemination of the information in other territories, in Germany, in Turkey, in other countries, so they are not responsible for this. So there would be much more difficult situations, and German prosecutor's office is the example how to deal with this situation. So, for example, there is a raped girl. You shouldn't prove in the courtroom that there is no such a girl, that she is not raped. But I feel that I'm raped by the Pechersk District Court, and I believe that in the European Court on Human Rights, we will prove that for 2 years and 2 months and 3 months, these are two different things, and I would like to thank our media community. They supported us, and we were forced to reduce the time for half a year, because the plan of Russians was to delay it further. And we move forward, and we will work on this. Thank you. If you have some questions, please ask. Thank you. Glib, do you have some comments or questions? If there are no questions, so this is the end of the press briefing. Thank you very much, and goodbye, good luck. Thank you. I would like to thank Ukraine Crisis Media Center, because for all this time you were with us, and you provided the platform in order to express our position and the events that happened in the Pechersk District Court. Thank you very much, and goodbye.